PBS Kids Birds logo bloopers. Cut. Man's catchphrase, woo, just interrupted the ident. It shouldn't do that. All right, take 2. Cut. The scream is not supposed to be in 1-1. It's supposed to be normal. All right, take 3. Wait, where was that sound coming from? Oh, it's just the Nokia music that plays for a reason. Wow, that brings us back memories, but it do not be interrupting the ident. The audio is supposed to be in the regular audio. All right, let's just take again. Take 4.
PBS Kids.
Cut. This is not Boomerang. This is PBS Kids. All right, take 5. Cut. Adita, what are you doing here? Oops, sorry. I just want to see how it's made. I don't have time to talk to you right now. Can you just leave the studios and come back later, please? Yes, I sure will. See you later. All right, let's just take again. Take 6. Whoa. Cut. You just made the studios too hot. And now the studios is gonna melt to death. Can you just make it cooler, please? Yes, I sure will. All right, and we will do take 7. Cut. Now you made the studios too cold. It looks like winter in here, and then I'm about to freeze to death. Oops, sorry, but you told me to make it cooler, so what? Alright, it doesn't even matter. Alright, this is gonna be your last warning. And if you screw this up one more time, we are canceling this ident. Got it? Fine, I will try my best. All right, final take.
PBS Kids.
Perfect. I'll put this in station ident, and then on Wednesday, Dash will do her insects. Dash will do his insects ident. Great job, Dot. Hooray! Hooray!